Hello, baby David. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayun, wish ko lang na sana lumaki ka ng mabuting tao. Healthy and strong. Ayun. Baby, sana ay maging masunurin ka rin, no, sa mga magulang mo. Ayun, enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo ngayon. Miss na miss ka na ni tita. I love you. Miss you. Bye-bye. Ingat palagi.